you guys, and welcome back to our channel. This is Project LSJ FIERO.
This week we're going to be working on pulling our first panels out of the paint booth, and we have completed our 3-stage process. It's really exciting. We're coming back from the beach right now, but we're going to show you all the action and Rose's reaction to that.
It was really cool, guys.
Stay tuned. We see what that product is.
Yeah.
3M Automotive Aftermarket Division, huh? Fast plastic repair. Just through this crazy tube. Very cool, Steve. How much do we have, Steve?
About a fifth left, maybe a little more left.
Well, if we've completely coated everything, we should use that center area, I guess.
Yep. We killed a spider.
Oh shit. What's your opinion about what we have left and what's the best way to use it?
Yeah, I can't see any thin spots.
So there's a lot of damage here originally, and the high build and the pearl and the sanding have really done miracles to this.
Oh wow. That is like significantly different than
the other coat.
Well, it's a different gun. So this gun is about 4 times as much volume per time sprayed. So it shoots thick. And there's a couple small flaws in this, but
And then there's this.
I think I can wet sand. I think I can wet sand the little spots out.
I want to make sure you guys like.
I'll wipe this down.
You guys can see this. This is absolutely absurd.
Let's see what amount of pearl we ended up using, because the scale is different. Pro tip: use the same gun if you do this test.
Oh yeah, yeah, because we used a different gun for, well, I shouldn't say we. Alex and TJ used a different gun to paint the test panel, and it's like was significantly much different. Like there's way more pearl inside of this. So here, yeah. Terrible coat. Like there's like this is 2 coats right here. This is what we were going for, but this is what we got.
Yeah, it's even. I want to say it's more pearl than 4, or at least similar.
Very similar. I think that this is what we would have gotten.
Yeah, this is like.
I mean, I can't imagine what 4 would have been if this is what we got.
I am all out of paint, so I would buy more. All right, so what did we learn here? We learned that we can paint a panel with relatively good, consistent quality. However, we also learned that if you are going to spray multiple test panels in order to see what colors and shades you want, it's absolutely essential to use the same gun with the same tip. The tip that I was using on the touch-up gun is a 0.6, and the gun that Steve uses is a 1.3. So that kind of gives you a thought process of that maybe the 1.3 has more than double the flow of the 0.6. I'm not sure if it's totally linear, but we can be assured that we got a lot of pearl into the paint, and we can get that in 2 coats, so that's a win.
All right, you guys, that is going to wrap it up for today's episode. I want to thank you all for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like this video. If you have any questions, please follow the commentary down below. And again, I want to thank you all for tuning in. Stay tuned for the next episode.